flies. Do you eat the flies that get in your house? No. I can bite my human at 75C. Well, I could bite my human at 235C. Amateurs. What was that, punk? Amateurs. Come on out. Carry me. Little girl, are you lost? Oh, sorry sir. Simple guacamole recipe. You will need salt, ripe avocados, lemon. When that big door is closed, are you trapped? The human thinks so. Here's Johnny. Why does he live in there? Wait, he gets their food. Hello, we are lost parrots. But, is it talking about us? Pretty bird, give me kiss. Wait, this is a bungee board. If I don't eat soon, it's getting dark. If only human would just share her snack. You just ate a whole sweet potato. Nice costume. I love the fake blood. Fake blood. Days since I have bitten anyone. Come look at these spooky owls. Nope. Hi giant budgie. Do you wanna be friends? Yes. Beaver disguise. I didn't gather enough fur. But it should be fine. So you are the Joker? I'm a puffin. What are you, wild boy? Stop, eagle only, keep out. Hee hee hee. You laugh now. But one day I'll be a beautiful swan. 1 year later. It's okay, it's just light. Oh lol. See, I'll turn it on again. I'm getting into the season this year. See, I'm a turkey. That's not a good idea. Why not? Oh yeah. And the truth is, we don't fear the scarecrows. I think I may be Workrow. Huh. Because whenever my human is hiding food, I transform into a much more intelligent bird. Ah. What? I'm sorry, I touched your eye. I didn't notice. Chicken, where are you? Chicken? I could say something. But I won't. Spa water. What are you making? It's you. That's offensive. time for your vet checkup. Want some soup? This is just trash. Dude, you can't eat this. Huh. Isn't it beautiful? Must have been a huge penguin who laid that. Tell us the story about Daddy again. Well, when you were just an egg, a monster attacked. It was huge and very fast, with sharp teeth and red eyes. But your father scared it away. Anyway, thank you, Frank. You're always so easy to talk to. Frank,